That is definitely not supposed to be there. Get your flashlight. What the f is that?
That's a for when they're towing them, or not towing them, but moving them. They put that there so it doesn't scrub. What's it called? Supposed to take it off. I guess they didn't.
That is, yep, that's definitely not supposed to be there. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another mod install for my friend's 2020 Camaro SS1 LE. He's getting some rock guards installed because he needs them because they come factory with 305s and 285s up front. So it's definitely a much needed mod to protect the paint. It's the really nice green color that like didn't really look that good in like the previews of it, but whenever you see it in person it looks insanely good. So we're going to try to protect it as much as possible. So we're going to get into that. And here are the rock guards. I don't know which one. Okay, rear. Huh?
The locks are bigger than the normal.
Really? Okay, so these are the fronts, these are the rears.
Yeah.
Nice. Cool. Seal it. It's pretty self-explanatory, it's not much to it. But there's them. And first steps, you gotta jack the car up. There we go, much better. You clean this, right? Alright, here goes install. Ease of install, -2 out of 10.
Yeah. Good? Yeah. I bet.
Okay, got that. Okay. Alright, so that has to be pushed in now. Okay. Alright, so now carefully do this.
Try to keep it level up here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, to make sure that we got the same contact on all of it.
It's just going to slide back out. Oh, that's what that's for.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice.
And then the second hole here.
There's one. That
Is-
goes in that.
Yeah.
That's nice. It's very nice, Brandon. Thank you, bud. This could be a lot easier than I thought it would.
Hey. Ow. Well, that has to be in then.
Yeah.
Is that a longer screw?
Yep, it's longer. Not longer screw, it's longer.
Okay.
Is that the right side?
Hmm.
For the back?
This texture stuff goes on this side. Just do the top. Very simple and minute.
Man, I'm stupid.
Why?
Because I didn't know this thing had much balls.
Bro, no way they use a regular like screw. They did. They used a regular ass screw for this.
What you mean?
Like a Phillips head. Instead of the T15. Little bastards.
So, thinking someone can just take them off.
Hmm?
Someone could just take them off then. If they have a screwdriver.
Yeah, essentially. All right, just finished up the front and the rears. Got the rear on. Super clean. The front looks really good too. Nice. Definitely gonna help out a lot. Now we're just gonna go do the same to the other side and be done. All right, so we just got done all the way around the car. Makes the car look a lot meaner, honestly. And it's definitely gonna help protect it because it comes out a good bit. So definitely gonna help with rock chips and all that. Like I said, to protect the paint. And from the back stance is definitely worth it. Right there. So much nicer. The only thing that's a little bit concerning is back here, there's a little bit of space. There's a spacer that comes with it. But we tighten it as much as it goes. And from all the videos that we've seen, it seems like it's supposed to be like that. So we'll see how it is whenever we start driving it. I think it's fine. It makes the car look a lot better, so I think it's a successful mod in our books. But if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and hopefully we're going to have a future video with this in my car and see which one is a little bit faster, the 1LE or the SS, regular SS. And I think that would be a really good video. So if you want to see that, stay tuned to the channel, and hopefully we can bring that to you pretty soon. And we'll see you in the next one.